Hello, I thought I would make a video regarding the Ruger LCP Max rear sight replacement. So I looked for a video on replacing the rear sight with a tritium night sight to match the front tritium sight, and I couldn't find one. So here we go. So this is what the rear sight looks like now. You can't see the tritium right now, but I'll show you here in a moment. But I replaced this, and it was very easy. Okay. Here is the original sight. Okay, rear sight. And what I did was I purchased this sight pusher. You can't really see it good here. Let's see. So this is a sight pusher made by Wire Gear. Got it on Amazon for like 97 bucks. Okay. So you put your slide in this area here, snug it all up, and then when you turn this handle, this will push your rear sight either left or right. So that was real simple. The rear sights I chose are the, sorry about the glare, the TruGlo Tritium Pro handgun night sights. These are the Bodyguard 380 sights. Okay, and it comes with the front sight as well, but the front sight doesn't need replacing. So this is what they look like in the dark. Hopefully you can see this. Yeah, see that? There you go. Not bad, right? So that's all I have. This is a real quick upgrade. You'll like it a lot better than just having the front if you're into that type of thing with the glow. 97 bucks. Tritium Pros were like 72 bucks. Amazon. By the way, make sure you pick up a 12 round magazine or 2 or 3. This is the 10 rounder with the extension on the bottom, and this is the 10 rounder that comes with it. Okay, great gun. I fired it. I fired about a box of full metal jacket out of it thus far, and so far so good. No error, no malfunctions or anything like that. So I'll keep you updated if I make any more adjustments, but I don't think I'm going to mess with the trigger or anything. I think I'm just going to leave this EDC like it is. Okay, take care.